Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about IDEX token, guys. Price update. In this video I will share the latest update of IDEX. So let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of IDEX in the market is about 0.3687 USD dollar. That is the right now price of IDEX. And furthermore, if you talk about the changes, so negative 6.58% changes occur in the IDEX. The price are going very badly and the dumping more, guys. So very badly decrease, guys. But no guys, a lot of people will see every coin falls, every coin pump. Oh my god, now that's the good news, guys. 135% trading volume increased just in the last 24 hours. A lot of people are investing fastly in IDEX because they know the future of IDEX. Now guys, it's time to buy, it's time to hold, guys. I'm sure about that in the beginning of October the IDEX price will highly pump. So never miss this opportunity, guys, and please hold. Other side, market cap is going to decrease, but trading volume, due to this positive trading volume, guys, the changes will become positive, guys. So guys, what do you think? What is your prediction about IDEX? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.